Hey guys, my name is Meir Miara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you do like this video, please consider like and subscribe. So today I want to showcase you guys a company called Carsify have sent me an array of multiple products to review. I've already tested and reviewed these three products over here, and I just received the new one to review and compare. So if you guys recall my previous videos, I've already showcased these three devices, the Carlinkit AI box that does support SIM cards and much more. I have a dedicated video for that. And then two more adapters, one dedicated for iPhone and one dedicated for Android. That being said, I just received their latest model CPC200-A2A, which is also showcased here on my screen directly to their Amazon store. So what is so different between these and the previous models? Well, aside from this one, who is a dedicated AI box by itself with a dedicated SIM card, etc., it's very similar to these two, who basically transform your infotainment system from a cable wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay into a wireless one. This is their latest revision and their latest model, and this one does support Android 10 and above. It does support all the basics functionality that they've already have on their other products, such as OTA support, plug and play, etc., etc. Here in the description, they do note that it does not support CarPlay or iPhone. So this is dedicated for Android devices. So without further ado, let me open the box and see what we have. Hey guys, so I opened the box and this is what we have inside. We have USB-C to USB-C cable. We have USB-C to USB-A cable. We have the user manual in English and in Chinese, and of course the box, nothing else inside, and of course the device. For size comparison, fits in the palm of my hand. Does feel good. Nothing too special. It does have ventilation for heat, USB-C, and the Carlinkit logo. Outside of that, nothing too fancy, nothing too special. It is very compared, obviously, to the sister product, the Carlinkit for iPhone. And as you can see, compared to two products, it does state that the iPhone does support iPhone 6 and above, iOS 10 and above, and the Android does support Android 10 and above, and some required Android 11 and above. In nowadays, shouldn't be that much of a problem because most Android systems are definitely 10 and above. But outside of that, it's very, very similar, compared exactly the same. I do anticipate that to also function very similar to all its sister's products. And as I see in the instructions, it's basically supposed to be just plug and play without much configuration. And it does have LED lights. I can see here that there are two, possibly the light LEDs. The next thing, I'm going to go into my car, connect it, and see how hard it was to basically just connect it and compare it to the other three products I received from them. So as you guys noticed, or if not, please go to my previous videos and compare. I did have a problem with a singular previous model device. I'm hoping that I will not hit the same problems with this one, but we'll surely go ahead and find out right now. Hey guys, so I'm in my car right now. I currently have another adapter who's already connected into my car, and it works flawless with my Google Pixel 7 Pro device. So what I'm going to do right now is going to disconnect my current device and I'm going to replace it with the Carlinkit device. So let's do it. I'm simply going to disconnect. Okay, so I'm going to connect it and I'm going to tuck it in. And according to the manual, it's basically plug and play. So I'm going to wait a minute. I'm going to go to my phone Bluetooth. Pair a new device. I do see it as AutoKit. I'm going to pair. And there you go. It detected Android Auto on my screen and it jumped directly into Android Auto. Everything is functioning exactly as Android Auto. All settings, all set up, and it works without a problem. So there you have it. It is truly plug and play. All I had to do is basically connect Bluetooth into the adapter, and it was pretty seamless, pretty easy. If we look at the LEDs, we do see that it does have a green LED indicating connected. So there you have it. If you do like this video, please consider like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please post them and I will respond. Thank you so much.